What if I told you that scientists have made a breakthrough discovery that could slow down aging, protect your brain, and repair the damage done to your DNA? Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, hold on to your seats because in June 2025, scientists published a groundbreaking study in aging cell that could change the way we think about aging. DNA repair and brain health forever. Well, let me introduce you to Protein Disulfide Isomerase, or PDI. Normally, PDI helps proteins fold properly inside our cells. It's a crucial task for their function. But this new research revealed that PDI doesn't just help proteins, it also enters the cell nucleus, the brain of the cell, to repair double-strand breaks in DNA, which are one of the most dangerous types of damage, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Imagine a world where we could potentially treat or even prevent age-related brain diseases before they even start. While the research is still in its early stages, scientists are already exploring ways to boost PDI levels in brain cells. This means any potential therapies using PDI will need to be carefully targeted, so we do, inadvertently fuel cancer growth while helping healthy cells. The study revealed the existence of a remarkable protein that acts like an anti-aging glue, repairing broken DNA and potentially slowing down the aging process itself. Who knows, in the not-so-distant future, we may all be able to benefit from the incredible power of PDI. These simple things can make a big difference in maintaining our brain health and reducing our risk of age-related diseases. So keep learning, stay curious, and get ready for the future, because the future is looking bright. But that's not all. This protein could also help protect our brains from damage, offering hope for those suffering from neurodegenerative diseases. You're probably wondering what this protein is and how it works. By understanding how PDI works, we could develop new ways to combat age-related diseases and improve the quality of life for millions of people. It could also lead to new insights into the fundamental processes of aging and DNA repair, which could have far-reaching implications for the future of medicine. But why is this so important? Well, as we age, our DNA takes a beating. Scientists are only beginning to explore the potential applications of PDI in treating age-related diseases. For example, researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, are investigating whether boosting PDI levels could help prevent the cognitive decline associated with Alzheimer's disease. Meanwhile, scientists at the National Institute on Aging are studying the role of PDI in the aging process itself. They hope that their research will shed light on the molecular mechanisms that drive aging and help identify new targets for anti-aging interventions. But when they added PDI back into the mix, the cells were able to repair themselves. This is a breakthrough because it suggests that by boosting PDI levels, we might be able to help cells repair themselves, especially in the brain. It's constantly under attack from environmental factors like UV rays, pollution, and stress, but also from our body's own internal processes. Over time, this damage builds up, leading to cell dysfunction and eventually age-related diseases. For the brain, this is particularly important because the brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in our body, and maintaining the integrity of its DNA is crucial for long-term mental health. That's where PDI comes in. In the study, when scientists removed PDI from human cancer cells and brain cells from mice, the cells couldn't repair their damaged DNA. This discovery could have major implications for brain health. Imagine if we could slow down brain aging, prevent memory loss. One of the potential methods could involve gene therapy, where we could direct mRNA or other therapies to activate PDI in specific cells that need it most. However, as with most breakthroughs, there's a catch. While PDI helps repair DNA in healthy cells, it can also protect cancer cells from chemotherapy. But despite this challenge, the potential benefits of this discovery are hard to overstate. Now here's the exciting part. This discovery is just the tip of the iceberg. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that the future of aging research is looking brighter than ever. In the meantime, we can all take steps to support healthy aging, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying mentally active. As we continue to learn more about the amazing discoveries in the field of aging research, one thing is clear: we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible.